Hello everyone, thank you all for joining me. Today I'm going to teach you how to create content, an article, and how to hide it on the front page using the Super Hide Post plugin. Okay, so this is how you do it. For instance, I have some posts here that's already published, so I'm going to use those posts. Scroll down here, and where it says right here, I'm going to go ahead and edit this post really quick. And we're going to use this post to demonstrate a couple of things. Okay, so we're on our post, and what we're going to do is edit. I'm going to show you a few things here. All right, okay, so we're on our posts, and what I'm going to be sharing with you is a few things. Okay, here's the title. You want to have a good strong title like this one right here, step-by-step guide on how to install the WordPress post ratings plugin. This is another plugin that I'm using, but anyhow, this is a good way to script your title. Okay, make it appealing that you're helping someone with something. Okay, make it appealing and attractive. Okay, and here's my content. I have a video right here, this video that plays for my audience that you copy and paste. If you have videos, go ahead and copy and use those videos as content. Okay, and then I have my article, my small article right here, my article. So I'm in the visual editor, and the way you use the visual editor, all you have to do is highlight over an element like this right here, for instance. And if I want, then here's the header tags. Okay, you can use that as a paragraph, but it's just like the rest of this content. And it's you want it to show your header, you can use H1 header, you can use the H2 header, and you can use the H3 header, whichever header that you want to represent. Okay, so I'm gonna use the H2 header. All right, that is how you use that element. Okay, you have other elements such as the bold tag right here. Simply highlight over anything that you want to embolden, to emphasize on. Just highlight that particular element and click on that. See, as you can see, it has boldness property. Okay, so if you want to remove it, just simply click on the element and it will unbolden that particular that property. Okay, so how do you change this property with the italicize? Just simply highlight it. Once again, highlight it and press the italicize key, and it'll italicize it. As you can see, it has italicized it. Okay, the same thing goes for the rest. If you want to use the bullet character, use the bullet character. If you want to use the number character, the number list, use the number list. If you want to use the block quote, use the block quote. Okay, and let's see, if you want to use the align, if you want to align your content to the left, align your content to the left, which is already aligned to center, you can center it. If you want to align it to the right, you can do that as well. Okay, so align it back to the left. If you want to insert a link, okay, simply highlight whichever element that you want, whichever property do you want to link out. People do this often when they are linking out to different sources. If you want to go to CNN, or if you want to go to different any outside source or inside source you want to go to, this is for highlighting and linking out your content, linking out your text. Say for instance, you can say www.google.com. You can do things like that. Okay, and then you have your cog right here, which you can use other options for it. You can type it out, your URL, and which is like HTTPS, www.google. So it's just basically linking out to different sources. Okay, And then you can press the open link in a new tab. If you don't want the person to actually leave your page to go to this particular link, just open up a new tab, which would be right here. It'll open up another tab for that person to read whatever content that's on that you direct them to from your page. Okay, so that is what that's for. All right, and then you have, let's see here, highlight your content. Okay, and add different things like you can strike through that particular piece of content you highlighted. You can add color. Okay, if you want to colorize certain parts of your content, it'll turn the color, change the color. Okay, purple, whatever you want it to change to, you can change the color. All right, you can indent your content. You can indent your content, or you can leave it as it is. You have several characters you can add. For instance, you have a set of characters you can, special characters you can add. As you can see, all of these right here that you may, and then little Greek characters or whatnot. And if you want to, if you highlight, if you have a link source, okay, if you have a link source, for instance, if you have https google.com or something like that, and then you link it out, boom, and that's how a link will look. It's underlined. You can also unlink it, remove link, and it'll remove it. Okay, so that's available to you. And after you've completed this right here, press the publish button. You'll usually see a publish button, especially if you just starting out a post. Just press update, or if you're editing, just press update or publish. Okay, or you can just save it and come back to it later. All right. Okay, and this is how you hide your post. If you wanted to be hidden from the front page, but be available throughout whenever you make it available to other people, it'll be available on your website. But if you don't want it to be shown on the front page, we use a plugin called Super Hide Posts. Super Hide Posts. And what you do is you click on where it says hide on the front page. You have a choice to hide them on category pages, tag pages, author pages, date, archives, or hide them in the search engine results. You can even hide them in feeds. Okay. And the sharing buttons, I really don't like showing the sharing buttons. They don't look that attractive for this theme, so I would press this too. And after you press hide on the front page, press update. Okay, and then what you do is you go and you check your website. Let's see how it looks. You're going to press visit website, and there you go. It's hidden from your page. Okay, it's hidden from your website. It is hidden. So what you can do is, if you want to show it, if you do want to show that post, here's what you do. Now, if you would like to share your post on your front page, then just keep this unchecked. Okay, keep it unchecked, and you will be able to see your post. Okay, and just press update and go to visit site, and there it goes. It is shown right here. Okay, so you have a choice if you want to show your post or you don't have to. All right, thank you all for joining me. This is how to create an attractive title and how to create a post. Also, how to hide or reveal that post. Keep that post on the front page or remove it from the front page using the Super hide posts. And the plugin is, let me show you. I'm going to show you that plugin. Let's see here. We're going to go to the plugins right here. Add new. Go to your search box and simply put in super hide posts. And it will show right here. It's a super hide post. Click on it. It's by Angelo Matthews. Go ahead and press super hide post. I've already activated it. Just go ahead and install it and press activate, and then you can use it. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for joining me. I'm Jermaine of Web Hosting Throne.